Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, it will be exciting, fun, and thrilling adventure because we are going to ride on a helicopter. Ride along with us, guys. So for now, we are just waiting for our helicopter and also for the pilot. There you go, guys, our helicopter. My son, we are just waiting to take off. I'm sure it's going to be fun. There you go. So as you could see, that is Jersey City, and you will see a long bridge, and that is the Pulaski Skyway. It is designed by Sigvald Johannesson and opened in 1932, one of the first controlled access highway and superhighway in the United States to provide connection to the Holland Tunnel. There you go, that is the Pulaski Skyway. It's a long bridge. It's so fun, guys, really. Scary, but it's so fun. You should try. So much fun, guys. Billionaires Row, as you can see, that is New York City. We're still in Jersey City. We're still in New Jersey, actually. That is Hudson River separating New Jersey and New York City. You could see the two doors are open, so you could hang your feet and take a picture. And as you could see, that is Central Park, the biggest park in New York City. That is Billionaires Row. Look at my son's feet. Central Park. Again, Central Park. Central Park. Billionaires Row. The bridge is the Brooklyn Bridge. Nice view here. Nice view of the Billionaires Row in Manhattan. So the Billionaires Row is a set of ultra-luxury residential skyscrapers that are arrayed roughly around the southern end of Central Park in Manhattan, New York City. And that is the Brooklyn Bridge. It's a hybrid cable-stayed suspension bridge in New York City spanning the East River between Borough of Manhattan and Brooklyn Bridge from 1869 to 1883. And again, who doesn't know that the Statue of Liberty was a gift of friendship from the people of France to the United States and is recognized as universal symbol of freedom and democracy. Again, nice view from here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun, exciting, and thrilling adventure. So I hope you guys try it. It's you could go on at Kearney, that is their station. It was called Fly On. Bye guys!